Today's top 10 AI stories. Your first story today on the AI Chronicle. Salesforce announces an AI-heavy makeover for Slack with 30 new features. Slack just got a whole lot more useful. Industry analysts and competitors will respond as more details become public. Follow-up announcements and product roadmap updates are expected in the coming weeks. Next on the AI Chronicle, LibTV integrates Seedance 2.0 to streamline AI video production. LibTV has integrated the Seedance 2.0 model to enhance AI video production, enabling multimodal content creation with reduced latency of around 2 to 3 minutes per clip. The platform also introduces a node-based workflow and agent-driven automation for end-to-end video generation. Early adopters will test the new capabilities in production over the coming weeks. Developer feedback will shape the roadmap and next iteration of the product. Coming up on the AI Chronicle, Mamba 4 explained, a faster alternative to transformers for sequential modeling. Transformers revolutionized AI but struggle with long sequences due to quadratic complexity, leading to high computational and memory costs that limit scalability and real-time use. This creates a need for faster, more efficient alternatives. Mamba 4 addresses this using state space models with selective mechanisms, enabling linear time processing while maintaining strong performance. It suits tasks like, the post Mamba 4 explained, a faster alternative to transformers for sequential modeling appeared first on Analytics Vidya. Here's your next story on the AI Chronicle. Microsoft is betting $10 billion on Japan's AI future. Microsoft is investing $10 billion in Japan from 2026 to 2029, its largest ever commitment to the country. The article Microsoft is betting $10 billion on Japan's AI future appeared first on the Decoder. The article Microsoft is betting $10 billion on Japan's AI future appeared first on the Decoder. Next up in your AI Chronicle briefing, Deepseek V4 will reportedly run entirely on Huawei chips in a major win for China's AI independence push. Deepseek V4 is expected to launch in the coming weeks and will run exclusively on Huawei chips. China's biggest tech companies have reportedly already ordered hundreds of thousands of units. Nvidia was shut out of early testing. The article Deepseek V4 will reportedly run entirely on Huawei chips in a major win for China's AI independence push appeared first on the Decoder. Coming next on the AI Chronicle, how AEO versus Geo reshapes AI-driven brand discovery in 2026. When Pew Research Center analyzed 68,879 Google searches in March 2025, one finding stood out: users who encountered an AI-generated summary clicked on a traditional result just 8% of the time. Those who didn't see a summary clicked nearly twice as often, at 15%. A quarter of users who saw an AI summary ended there. The post How AEO versus Geo reshapes AI-driven brand discovery in 2026 appeared first on AI News. Your next story on the AI Chronicle, Leap co-founders new venture Nous raises $44 million to scale AI-native product design tool. San Francisco-based product design startup Nous has raised $44 million, about 407.6 crore rupees, in a funding round led by Chemistry. The new capital will accelerate hiring, infrastructure build-out, and product development. Expect new product announcements and potential follow-on deals within the quarter. Here's what's next on the AI Chronicle. para-athlete Komal Tyagi sprinting ahead, the economics of domestic labor. By 2024, Komal was close to walking away from the sport entirely. The training center provided a ground, a coach, and accommodation, but there was an additional financial burden. She needed specialized running spikes, high-protein nutrition, and travel costs. Industry analysts and competitors will respond as more details become public. Follow-up announcements and product roadmap updates are expected in the coming weeks. Up next on the AI Chronicle, Nous Research's Nous Coder 14B is an open-source coding model landing right in the Claude Code moment. Nous Research, the open-source artificial intelligence startup backed by crypto venture firm Paradigm, released a new competitive programming model on Monday that it says matches or exceeds several larger proprietary systems, trained in just 4 days using 48 of NVIDIA's latest B200 graphics processors. The model, called Nous Coder 14B, is another entry in a crowded field of AI coding assistants, but arrives at a particularly charged moment. Claude Code, the agentic programming tool from rival Anthropic, has dominated social media discussion since New Year's Day, with developers posting breathless testimonials about its capabilities. The simultaneous developments underscore how quickly AI-assisted software development is evolving and how fiercely companies large and small are competing to capture what many believe will become a foundational technology for how software gets written. And finally, on the AI Chronicle today, Huawei highlights AI, HarmonyOS and Auto momentum in 2025 annual report. Huawei said in its 2025 annual report that revenue reached 880.9 billion renminbi and net profit came in at 68 billion renminbi, with overall performance remaining in line with forecast. The company also said it invested 192.3 billion renminbi in R&D during the year, equal to 21.8% of annual revenue and marking a record high. Huawei said it's enjoying the AI Chronicle. Please like, follow, subscribe, comment and share. Help us make AI knowledge reachable for more people. Your support helps us produce better quality news every day. That's your AI Chronicle update for today. Hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for daily AI news. See you tomorrow.